Welcome students in the second very important lecture of our chemistry, and that is a very important basic concepts of chemistry. So we have already started from the previous lecture some introductory idea about the chemistry, different branches of chemistry, some scope of the chemistry for the career point of view, and finally by stopping our introduction about the subject, about the teacher, about the class, we have started with the basic concepts of chemistry. So this series is continue for at least 10 to 15 lectures, and in which I will cover most of the important organic chemistry, physical chemistry, as well as inorganic chemistry as per as our syllabus is concerned, as well as your basic 10th and 9th chemistry is concerned. Fine. So what we have learned in the yesterday's session? In the yesterday's session, we have learned definition of chemistry, the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, its composition, its physical property, chemical reactions, applications, vagera vagera. Then we have learned what are the different branches of chemistry. We know that there are many branches of chemistry, out of which we have discussed 4 to 5 branches. Very first, organic chemistry, the branch of chemistry which deals with study of carbon and its compounds. Right? Second, inorganic chemistry, the branch of chemistry which study the chemistry other than carbon. Right? Carbon except karun, baki elements study karnari chemistry is called as inorganic chemistry. Physical chemistry related to the energy, heat, energy transfer, different laws, principles, vagera vagera. Right? Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry where analysis of sample is performed. What is the sample? What is present inside the sample? Whether it is pure, whether it is impure. That kind of study is done under the branch analytical chemistry. And the very important biochemistry, chemistry of living organism. Chemistry of living biomolecules, that is what called biochemistry. So that was a small session of the yesterday's lecture. Many concepts we have not discussed in this. Today's lecture is an important lecture. Now from today lecture onward, we will have the connectivity of one lecture with another lecture, and we are going from a very basic concept, and that is what called matter. So we'll start with today from a very basic funda, that is what called matter. What is matter? Then we will go to the what is atom. Then we will go towards the what is molecule. Then we will see the question why atom combines together to form a molecule. Then types of molecules. Then the types of substances. Substances are classified as a pure substances as well as impure substances. Impure substances are also called as mixture. And next one is pure substances are of two types. Some are called as an elements. Some are called as compounds. What is the difference between element, compound and molecule, that we will going to see. Then the last, impure substances oblique mixture. There are two types of mixture. Kon konte? Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So I will try to finish these concepts in the today's session. If possible, fine. If not possible, we will continue remaining some concepts in the next lecture. Is it fine? So you people may think that, sir, these are the all concepts, these are the many points we have already covered in the 9th and 10th standard. Then what is the need of this story to repeat again one more time in the 11th standard? Friends, this is an very important basics of our subject, and therefore we must have a very strong basics of our fundamental chemistry, our actual chemistry, and then we will proceed towards the higher level knowledge. Fine? Another important story is in the next coming lecture you will have the requirement of and very important some concepts out of these two. Out of these many concepts are there in the coming syllabus, and therefore this is a revision. This is the basics of our chemistry. So shall we start? Okay, let us start with the very first. पहिली गोष्ट, नोटबुक असेल, कंपल्सरी 2 ते 3 पेन तुमच्याकडे असतील आणि अगदी छान लेक्चर ऐकायचे, समजून घ्यायचे आणि माझ्यासोबत मी जेवढं बोर्डवरती लिहितोय तेवढं तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये लिहायचे, तेही विथ अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल रिप्रेझेंटेशन. ही कंपल्सरी कंडिशन आहे आपल्या DCCची. फाईन. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. सुरुवात करूयात आपण आपल्या लेक्चरचा पहिला कन्सेप्ट. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय मॅटर? What is mean by matter? Friends, its definition is a very simple. Anything around us which having some mass and occupies some space is known as matter. A very simple. Anything around us which having some mass or it occupies some space is known as matter. What are the examples of matter? Whatever this pen is there, this is one matter, you know. It required some space. You just see, this pen required some space to accommodate, or for its existence, it required some space. Myself is a matter. मला सुद्धा थोडी जागा लागते, थोडी म्हणा जास्त म्हणा तुम्हाला वाटेल तसं, पण जागा तर लागते ना. वॉट एव्हर युअर स्क्रीन, ज्या स्क्रीनवरती तुम्ही मला पाहताय, मोबाईलमध्ये तुम्ही माझं लेक्चर ऐकताय, ती स्क्रीन इज ऑल्सो अन मॅटर. दॅट मोबाईल इज ऑल्सो अन मॅटर. ज्या नोटबुकवर तुम्ही लिहिताय, दॅट इज ऑल्सो अन मॅटर. इथे तुम्हाला दिसणारे जे काय आहे, दिस बोर्ड इज नथिंग बट द मॅटर. फॅन आहे, फॅन इज नथिंग बट द मॅटर. ज्या कॅमेऱ्यामधून हे रेकॉर्डिंग चाललंय, दॅट कॅमेरा इज ऑल्सो अन मॅटर. सो ईच अँड एव्हरीथिंग which having some mass and occupies some space, that is nothing but matter. So very simple definition of matter is anything, matter is anything which having some mass, काहीतरी त्याला mass असेल, which having some mass and which occupies some volume. This is nothing but matter. अशी कुठलीही गोष्ट जिला स्वतःचं थोडंसं मास आहे आणि तिला एक्झिस्ट होण्यासाठी सर्टन अमाऊंट ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम किंवा स्पेसची आवश्यकता असते, अशा गोष्टीला काय म्हणायचं बेटा? मॅटर. गॉट द पॉइंट? अ व्हेरी बेसिक. नाऊ द कन्सेप्ट नंबर 2 कडे आपण जाणार आहोत. बट बिफोर दॅट, व्हॉट एव्हर दिस मॅटर इज देअर, हा जो पेन आहे किंवा कुठलंही मॅटर पहा, एखादा मी चॉक तुमच्या समोर पकडला तर तो चॉक असेल. हे कुठलंही जर आपण मॅटर पाहिलं तर हे मॅटर इज मेड अप ऑफ सम स्मॉल टायनी पार्टिकल्स, राईट ना. ईच अँड एव्हरी मॅटर कन्सिस्ट ऑफ अ व्हेरी स्मॉल टायनी पार्टिकल्स. मग दीज टायनी पार्टिकल्स आर नथिंग बट atoms. So each and every matter composed of some small particles, these small particles are known as atoms. So what is the story? Story is many atom combines together to form a matter. Is it right? Matter कसं तयार होतं? खूप ॲटम एकत्र येतात and then matter तयार होतं. मग आता आपण पाहूयात what is mean by atom. So second story is concept of atom. Concept of atom. This is a very old story, you know. Atomच्या बाबतीत जर बोलायचं झालं बेटा, तर atoms are such a small tiny particles which are indivisible further, which are invisible for our naked eyes. आपल्या डोळ्यांना सहजासहजी न दिसणारे किंवा न दिसणारे आणि ते डिवाइड न होणारे, they cannot divided further into the smaller pieces. Such a very tiny small particle is called as atom. So ॲटमच्या बाबतीत जर बोलायचं झालं तर ॲटम या शब्दाचा अर्थच असा आहे ॲटोमॉस. ॲटोमॉस नावाचा एक शब्द आहे, ग्रीक वर्ड ॲटोमॉस. हा जो ॲटोमॉस शब्द आहे हा सांगतो ॲटम इज नथिंग बट द ॲटोमॉस आणि ॲटोमॉस इज नथिंग बट द इनविजिबल इंडिव्हिजिबल, एकदम छोटा सर्वात बेसिक पार्टिकल ऑफ द मॅटर. कुठलंही मॅटर ज्याच्यापासून तयार होतं त्याला काय म्हणतात बेटा? ॲटम. सो व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ॲटम? ॲटम इज smallest invisible and indivisible particle of any matter is known as atom. So atom is the smallest particle of an matter which is invisible and indivisible. Which two words are very important? Invisible and indivisible further. So those atoms are the species which are very small and they cannot be visible to our eyes, as well as they cannot be divided into the further small atomic particles. Those are called as atoms. So chalk is made up of a very small particle, that is what called matter. This pen is composed of very small tiny particles of the plastic material, that is also a matter. So each and everything is a matter. You may have the question, sir, our bodies consist of, what is the fundamental or very small unit of our body? You know the biology, the cell. Cell is the basic fundamental unit of the living organism. Therefore, cell is nothing but the matter. Cell is the fundamental unit of our body and our body is the matter. Have you got the point? So this is the concept of atom. Now question arises, whether atoms are stable or unstable. The answer is very simple. If you look at the hydrogen atom is like a H atom, right? Oxygen atom, nitrogen atom, phosphorus atom, वगैरह वगैरह, silver atom. These all atoms cannot exist in the atomic state. Whether atoms are stable? Hydrogen एकटा जो atom आहे, whether it is a stable individual hydrogen? No. बेटा हायड्रोजन असेल, कुठलाही एक ॲटम असेल जो इंडिव्हिज्युअल स्टेटमध्ये ॲटम्स आर व्हेरी अनस्टेबल. मग काय करावं लागतं? ड्यू टू द अनस्टॅबिलिटी ॲटम ट्राय टू बिकम combines together and forms something. That something is known as molecule. So what is molecule? When atom get combines with each other to form a stable species, that stable species is called molecule. So see, hydrogen atom is a unstable. Individual oxygen, single oxygen is also unstable. Single nitrogen is also unstable. So each and every atom in the individual state is unstable. Then what we have to do? These atoms try to combine with each other and form something. That something is called as molecule. So let us go to the third concept. What is meant by molecule? So molecule is nothing but when atoms of the same or different elements combines together to form a molecule. So molecule is what? Combination of atom is nothing but the molecule. So what is the combination of atom? So let us have the definition. When atoms of same element or different elements combines together forms molecule. A very simple definition, right? So whenever any atom of the same element or a different element combines together, there is a formation of molecule. So let us see. Suppose I have the hydrogen atom, which is a very unstable. Then another one hydrogen atom, which is also unstable. So what they will think? Everybody wants stability, na? Each and everybody wants stability. So this is unstable, this is unstable. So what happen is, one unstable hydrogen दूसरे unstable hydrogen से क्या बोलता है? अरे भाई तू भी unstable, मैं भी unstable, shall we have a bond? Right? So दोनों क्या सोचते हैं? मैं भी unstable हूँ बेटा, तू भी unstable है, तो क्या करें? हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ combine हो जाते हैं, हम bond बनाते हैं, ताकि क्या होगा? We will get the stability. And everybody wants stability. So what happen is, hydrogen combines together and forms such a hydrogen molecule. So this is the story. So atom combines together to form a molecule. Only reason is atoms are unstable, but the molecules are stable. And to achieve such a stability, atom combines together and forms molecule. This is a very small, beautiful answer why atom combines with each other. Got the point? This is one example of combination of atom. Beta, just tell me, suppose if you have combination of hydrogen, one oxygen and another one hydrogen. If two hydrogen and one oxygen get combines together, what will be the formation of? HOH. What is this HOH? This is nothing but H2O. World famous molecule. What is this? Water. So when two hydrogen combines with one oxygen, there is a formation of water. If you look at the stability, water is very stable. Water is very stable, but individual atoms are unstable. So this is the story. Atoms are unstable, molecules are very stable, and therefore atom combines together to form a molecule. Got the point? So we have learned matter, we have learned what is the concept of atom, we have learned what is the concept of molecule. Next story is very simple. Types of molecule. So let us go ahead. Fourth concept is types of molecules. Whatever different molecules are formed by the combination of atom, these molecules are of two types. Molecules किती प्रकार पडतात? दोन. कसे? Let us see. Combination होताना, if two atom combines together are same, then the molecule form will be something different. and if the two atom combines together are different, molecule form will be something different. I think you people get confused. I don't know the statement. You people I think can say, sir आम्हाला काही समजलं नाही आताचं statement. Very simple. लक्ष द्या इकडे. If atom A get combined with another atom A, there is a formation of molecule called A2. Yes or no? जेव्हा A atom combines with another A, there is a formation of A2 molecule. But if there is a combination of A with B, there is a formation of molecule AB. Yes or no? A very basic. मग मला सांगा, पहिला जो मॉलिक्यूल तयार झालाय, it is the combination of two identical atoms. Yes or no? Identical म्हणजे सेम. दोन सेम ॲटम जेव्हा एकत्र येतात तेव्हा तयार होणारा मॉलिक्यूल आहे A2. And when A combines with B, there is a formation of molecule called AB. What is the difference between these two molecules? Please see carefully. This molecule is the molecule having both the atoms are same. Such a molecule is called homoatomic molecule. काय म्हणतात त्याला बेटा? Homoatomic. What is homo? Homo म्हणजे same. What is atomic? Atoms. ज्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये सेम ॲटम्स असतील अशा मॉलिक्यूलला काय म्हणतात? होमोॲटॉमिक. सो रिमेंबर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ होमोॲटॉमिक. द मॉलिक्यूल्स विच फॉर्म molecules having same constituent atoms are known as homoatomic molecule. काय बोललो मी? डेफिनेशन बोलतोय मी. सो टाइप्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये आपण पहिला प्रकार लिहूयात होमोॲटॉमिक. होमोॲटॉमिक. What is the definition? Molecules having same atoms. Finish. Molecules having same atoms are known as homoatomic molecules. Now, if you look at the general example, so this is the general example. A plus A goes to A2. You can have the example B plus B goes to B2. Actual example, hydrogen plus hydrogen H2, homoatomic. दोन्ही atoms same आहेत का? Homoatomic. If we combine N plus N, there is a formation of N2. Is it a homoatomic? Yes. If we combine O2 plus O, there is a formation of ozone. You know ozone? Ozone is the triatomic molecule. 3 oxygen पासून बनलेला O3. If you look at the 4 phosphorus combines together, there is a formation of P4. If 8 sulfur atom combines together, there is a formation of S8. काय आहेत हे बेटा? हे सर्व मॉलिक्यूल्स आहेत. परंतु या सर्व मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये ॲटम जे आहेत ते कसे आहेत? सेम. All 8 are sulfur atoms. All 4 phosphorus atom. All 3 oxygen atom. In this way, any molecule having all atoms are same are known as homoatomic molecule. Got the point? Homo, same, atomic, atoms. Same atom पासून तयार झालेला molecule called homoatomic. Clear? Okay. चलो, second type of molecule is, B type of molecule is heteroatomic molecule. What is heteroatomic molecule? नावामध्येच अर्थ आहे बेटा. हेटेरो म्हणजे डिफरंट. हेटेरोचा अर्थ काय असतो बेटा? डिफरंट. आणि ॲटॉमिक म्हणजे ॲटम्स. सिम्पली डेफिनेशन, द मॉलिक्यूल विच कन्सिस्ट ऑफ डिफरंट ॲटम्स आर नोन ॲज हेटेरोॲटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल. किंवा तुम्ही असंही म्हणू शकता, द मॉलिक्यूल विच इज फॉर्म बाय combination of different atoms is known as heteroatomic molecule. What is the example? Example is A plus B formation of AB. Basic example. मग आपण आता actual example घेऊयात. Suppose 2 hydrogen atom combines with 1 oxygen atom, there is a formation of H2O. पाण्यामध्ये all atoms are same or different? All atoms are not same. It consists of 2 hydrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom, means water is an example of heteroatomic molecule. Are yes or no friends? Yes, so this is an heteroatomic. Let us have the example number 2. Suppose I have the hydrogen and these 3 hydrogen. Nitrogen plus hydrogen when combines together, there is a formation of ammonia. What is the formula of ammonia? NH3. Is it the homo or hetero? हेटेरो. पाहिल्या बरोबर कळलं पाहिजे की बाबा नायट्रोजन आहे, 3 हायड्रोजन आहेत, वेगवेगळे ॲटम हेटेरो, सेम ॲटम होमो. दिस इज व्हॉट द स्टोरी. गॉट द पॉइंट? ओके. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, कार्बन plus 4 hydrogen, there is a formation of methane. CH4 is called methane. Whether it is a homo or hetero, it is hetero. So this is what the story about the molecule. What is molecule? How molecule is formed? Molecules are formed by combination of atoms. When atom get combines together, there is a formation of molecule. Now the story is molecule when having the same or identical atom, molecule is homoatomic. If the molecule consists of different atom, is heteroatomic. Heteroatomic consists of different atom, homoatomic consists of same atom. Got the point? This is what the story about the molecule and the types of molecules. So we have learned matter, atom, molecule and the types of molecule. Clear? Now the next story is, if you want the screenshot, you please make the screenshot of this, then you will be able to write the notes. So please have a screenshot, then we will go proceed towards the next concept. Fine? Okay. चलो आगे. आपण आता चाललो आहोत मॉलिक्यूलचं एक पुढचं क्लासिफिकेशन. इथे आपण होमो आणि हेटेरो अशा पद्धतीचे मॉलिक्यूल असतात हे पाहिलं. There is another one kind of a classification of molecule, and that classification is depending upon how many number of atoms present in the molecule. So let us have an next concept. एक ॲडिशनल कन्सेप्ट मी तुम्हाला पुढे देत आहे. तो कन्सेप्ट हा सिक्वेन्स राहील असं नाही. अचानक मध्ये एखादा कन्सेप्ट ॲड करावा वाटला तर मी तुमच्या समोर ॲड करून देईल. कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ॲटॉमिसिटी. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग द्यायचं आहे कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ॲटॉमिसिटी. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ॲटॉमिसिटी? अ व्हेरी सिम्पल. Each and every molecule consists of certain number of atoms. Sometimes it may be number 2, sometimes maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 8, maybe 3, maybe 4, like this. So total number of atoms present in the molecule is called as atomicity. काय बोललो मी? डेफिनेशन लिहूयात आपण. Total number of atoms present in a molecule is called its atomicity. एखाद्या मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये असणाऱ्या टोटल नंबर ऑफ ॲटमची संख्या म्हणजे काय? ॲटॉमिसिटी. अ व्हेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन. सी द एक्झाम्पल. You will understood the definition with example. Suppose the hydrogen molecule. How many number of atoms present in the hydrogen molecule? 2 hydrogen atom. So atomicity is 2. Hydrogen ची atomicity किती? 2. C. Oxygen atomicity तुम्ही बोलायचंय. Atomicity 2. Ozone atomicity very good 3. CH4 atomicity not 4. See, 4 hydrogen combines with 1 carbon means 4 plus 1 atomicity 5. Ammonia atomicity 3 hydrogen plus 1 nitrogen 4. C6H6. Benzene. तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल 10th मध्ये. Benzene. How many number of atom? 6 carbon plus 6 hydrogen. Atomicity 12. S8. Sulfur. Number of 8 atoms, therefore 8. Very simple. केवढं सोपं आहे पहा. So this is the story of atomicity. Total number of atoms present in the molecule is known as its atomicity. मॉलिक्यूल पाहायचा आणि त्याच्यामध्ये असणारे टोटल नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स मोजायचे. त्यावरून आपल्याला करता येतं लगेच ॲटॉमिसिटी किती असेल. मग आता बेटा ॲटॉमिसिटी कन्सेप्ट जर तुम्हाला समजला असेल तर यावरून मला पुढचा एक महत्त्वाचा कन्सेप्ट सांगायचा आहे. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन ॲटॉमिसिटी मॉलिक्यूलचे प्रकार पडतात. डाय ॲटॉमिक, ट्राय ॲटॉमिक, टेट्रा ॲटॉमिक, पेंटा ॲटॉमिक, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. लक्षात येते का? किती ॲटम आहेत यावरून मॉलिक्यूलचे पुढे काय प्रकार पडतात. जर ॲटॉमिसिटी मॉलिक्यूलची 2 असेल तर बेटा त्याला म्हणतात डाय ॲटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल. 2 आहे डाय ॲटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल, 3 असेल ट्राय ॲटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल, 5 असेल पेंटा ॲटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल, 4 असेल टेट्रा ॲटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. फार जास्त मोठ्या कन्सेप्टसाठी हा वापरला जात नाही, पण डाय ॲटॉमिक, ट्राय ॲटॉमिक, टेट्रा, पेंटापर्यंत वगैरे हा कन्सेप्ट सहजासहजी वापरला जातो. दिस इज व्हॉट कॉल्ड एज अन ॲटॉमिसिटी. So this is what the very simple session of the today's lecture. Some basic concepts of chemistry. What we have learned? We have learned the definition of matter. We have learned matter consists of a very small tiny particle. Those are called as atoms. We have learned the definition of atoms. We have taken the examples of atom. We have learned why atom combines together, because atoms are unstable. They combines to form a molecule, and molecule is always stable. So everybody wants stability, therefore atom combines with each other, right? Good. Next one is molecule. Atom combines with each other to form a species known as molecule. Molecule चे प्रकार 2. कोणकोणते? होमो ॲटॉमिक, हेटेरो ॲटॉमिक. आयडेंटिकल ॲटम असतील, सेम ॲटम असतील, होमो. डिफरंट ॲटम्स कॉल्ड हेटेरो. फिनिश. Next one is concept of atomicity. Total number of atoms present in one molecule is called its atomicity. It may be 2 diatomic molecule, 3 tetraatomic molecule. 3 triatomic, 4 tetraatomic, 5 pentaatomic, etc. etc. This is what the concept of atomicity and some remaining examples. So this is our today's session. In the next lecture, we will start with the types of substances. So we'll start with the concept types of substances. Fine? Okay. भेटूयात next lecture मध्ये.